If you're new to truck dispatching and looking to acquire the required knowledge and expertise, you're in the right place. This is a fantastic profession that allows thousands of specialists from all over the world to work remotely in the United States logistics market. Your main tasks will be helping trucking companies book freight and generate income from transportation services using all the tools and techniques provided in this course. A dispatcher is compensated generously, typically with a percentage of the income generated from each truck, making it a lucrative profession that can grow into a profitable business. Whether you're looking for a high-paying remote job or looking to launch your own business, truck dispatching opens doors for practically anybody with a knowledge of English, a simple laptop, and an internet connection. This complete truck dispatcher training is designed to get you from zero all the way to a professional. You will not just learn the ins and outs of being a dispatcher. You will have modules and lessons on effective dispatcher job search and customer acquisition, preparing you for a career in a trucking company as well as for starting your own truck dispatching business. Alright, a few words about myself. My name is Dmitry Demishev. I founded my first dispatch company in 2017 and throughout the years expanded into freight brokerage and a trucking company. We're now a team of over 40 logistics specialists organizing transportation of roughly 1,500 truckloads on the US market every month. Our truck dispatching school has been in operations for almost a year and a half. In this time frame, we trained over 1,200 students who already started their careers as employees of transportation companies, freelance dispatchers, or even launched their own companies. The course you have in front of you is a treasure chest of knowledge and experience of our entire team, which we have gathered and structured into the most logical and understandable training program. We combine theoretical knowledge, which will help you understand and learn the profession from scratch, with practical tasks and examples of real-life dispatcher work. This is the single most effective approach to mastering this profession. So, here's how you're going to progress throughout this training. After this introduction, in Module 2, we'll dive into the basics. So, who are truck dispatchers and what functions do they perform? We'll break down the logistics industry. You will come to understand how the US trucking market is built, learn types of companies, equipment, and documentation. Basically, we'll build your foundation of necessary knowledge and skills of logistics. In the third module, you will learn all about the work of a dispatcher. All the processes, skills, and know-how you'll need to load a truck. We'll break down a dispatcher's typical working day into 10 steps and move through them one by one. In the fourth module, we'll dive into your driver's work schedule and the laws which govern it. How much they're allowed to drive per day, per week, when and how much rest they're required to take. This is essential information for scheduling and route planning. After that, we'll move on to the advanced modules. Module 5 will make you stand out from the ordinary dispatchers and make you a true professional. We'll cover how to analyze the freight market, select high-paying loads, and negotiate. You'll get a number of tools that my team is using today to succeed in this market. In the sixth module, we'll review all available methods of finding shipments, discuss how to sign up for online load boards, and how to create professional relationships to make your job easier and earn more money. In the seventh module, we'll break down all the possible problems, controversial situations, and conflicts that arise in the work of a dispatcher. So you'll get a clear and practical guide that will save you from mistakes and unnecessary stress in the real world. After completing the seventh module, you will be able to call yourself a professional dispatcher. At that point, we'll move on to the modules on monetization of knowledge, and I will teach you the best current practices and tools to find a job, find customers, and promote yourself as an in-demand professional. Well, you and I have a lot of work to do, but don't worry. With the right approach, you'll easily cope with the material. Make sure you take notes and write down what you've learned. There are a lot of powerful tools in this course. And the best part is that once you've learned all the processes and the materials, you can simply repeat all the steps and get results in a real-life work environment. So, ready to start learning? Then let's get to it.